I produce videos on advancing technologies for better living in India and abroad, scholarships and fellowships from different organizations, universities and countries. Next one is job vacancies in India and abroad. In the present video, I would like to talk about scholarships at Nyenrode Business University in Netherlands. Take advantage of bachelor revolving scholarships today. Nyenrode Business University will be providing a tuition award for undergraduate students for the academic year 2021-2022. The program aims to support international students who are going to start an undergraduate degree program at the university. Nyenrode University was founded in 1946. It is a business university and it is a Dutch business university and one of the five private universities in the Netherlands. It offers full-time and part-time MBA course. Programs include a 2-week module. Why study at Nyenrode Business University? They wish to create sustainable added value for themselves, their business and society as a whole through its unique combination of academic theory, practical relevance and personal development. Application deadline April 1st, 2021. Course level undergraduate award 5,000 and 10,000 euros per annum. Access mode online. Nationality international. The award can be taken in the Netherlands. Eligibility countries all the nationalities. Eligible course or subjects Bachelor of Science in Business Administration. Eligibility criteria. To be eligible, the applicants must meet all the given criteria. Applicants must have to enroll in the bachelor's degree program at the university. How to apply? To being enlisted in the program, students are required to take admission in the undergraduate degree program at the university. Supporting documents. Submit a financial plan, motivation letter, curriculum vitae and send them to us via email nf@nyenrode.nl. Admission requirements. Students must have the following: mathematics minimal of 5 hours, minimum grade of 7, or minimal of 3 hours, minimal grade of 8. General certificate of secondary education, IGCSE in 6 different subjects with grades A to C, including a minimum grade of B for mathematics, and General Certificate of Education GCE A level in 3 academic subjects including mathematics with grades AAB and a minimum grade of B for GCE mathematics. Language requirement. Applicants must have to be proficient in written and spoken the English language. Benefits. Nyenrode Business University will provide the award amount of 5,000 and 10,000 euros per annum to study in the Netherlands. You can log on to the website and university website and you can apply. I hope this video is very informative, and if it is so, you can like and share the video among your friends and well-wishers. If you are watching this video in my channel for the first time, please press the bell icon for the latest updates. And you can subscribe my channel. Wish you all the success. May God bless you. Thank you for watching my video.